Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked how to download and install full driver for Canon MG3650 or 3620 or 3600 series. So basically we're going to go to Google Chrome. You can use any search program you want to use. Then search Canon support. Select enter, then go to customer product support, select on it, then scroll down to select the printer model. This printer is Pixima model, select on the Pixima, then you scroll down to select MG series, select on MG series, then it will show you all the MG series available. This particular printer we have here is MG3650. So we look from the list of the models and select MG3650, select on it, then it will show you the printer. This is the printer. Then you select drivers, then scroll down, MG3600 series, full driver and software package, Windows. This is the one we need, released on 21st May 2026. Select download. Select download, then look on top of your laptop, then you will see the file. It will show you Win MG 3600 series. Double click it to open. And it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then you select yes. Canon software, select yes. It's extracting. Then you select start setup. Acquiring information on the latest driver and software, please wait. Then you select country of residence, UK. Then you select next. End user agreement. Then select yes. Extended survey is not compulsory. I'm going to refuse extended survey. Processing, please wait. Please allow all install wizard process. Then you select next. Then you select connection method. So you have wireless LAN connection or USB connection. So if you select USB cable connection, then you need to put the cable to the printer and the other cable to your laptop and select USB cable and proceed. But in this case, I want us to select wireless LAN connection. The printer I have here is connected via wireless network. Then you select next. Connection via wireless recommended. Connect via wireless router recommended. Then you select next. Make sure the printer is turned on. So it's going to search for the printer. Then select next. Printer detection. So it's going to search for the printer. Searching for the printer on the network. So the printer is found. Then you select on the printer with address and everything. MAC address, IP address. Then you select next. So it's installing my image garden. Utilizes the photo save on your computer to automatically create a card or calendar. Installing MP drivers. Processing, please wait. printhead alignment recommended, then you select next, test print, then you select execute. So it's going to print a test page to show you that the printer is connected. So it's printing out the test page. Test page. The printer is now ready for printing. Then you select next. We'll show you setup complete. The setup for printing from the computer is complete. The next, the software will be installed. Then you select next. Then you select the software we require. For this specific printer, I will select my image garden, and user manual is not necessary. I will select my printer, my image garden, and quick menu. Then you select next. So installing my image garden. The image garden or the quick menu is where you need to select to scan document. If you don't want to scan using window, you can open up quick menu, select my image garden to be able to scan document. User registration, I'm going to skip user registration. Installation complete. Then select exit. Thank you very much indeed.